Yes, family, we're back in Kumasi and we're here at the Noda Hotel and we're here to do the Cultural Craft Village Tour, what Bomani call aka Shop, Keep Shopping and Keep Shopping. And this is the pre-shop era. Woman, Gold Coast, West Coast, with the Wu-Tang tattoo, cheddar cheese, and what are the other aka names?
Cheddar cheese.
This man, family, if you don't know this man is a legend in Kumasi. I've known him for at least 8 years. And he do nothing but big business, a great painter. Do you do all these painting?
Yeah, I do all this. I wish you my photo.
So you do those too?
Yeah.
The man is a multi-genius, a modern day Ashanti Renaissance man.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Those are banging.
Just my brothers, how's everybody doing?
Yeah. We're doing good. We're doing good.
I want you guys to shout out your information on Facebook, shout it out, let people know when they come to Kumasi that they could come check you guys for reliable, top-notch craft, clothing, and also the best deals, right? Right?
You guys are welcome to the motherland. Yeah. We wish to see you guys every time.
And happy to.
Yeah.
We see you every day.
Excellent, excellent. So how long you been working outside of the Noda Hotel?
Like 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
And you're happy to see that we're here?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Show us some of your craft. Show us what you're selling.
Okay. We got some dashiki like the one that you rolling.
Rock.
The shiki we got up and down.
All right. So what are some of these prices for these dashikis?
You know, this time people like it, so this time it's expensive, man.
It's expensive.
Yeah, this time people like it.
Whatever price you give this expensive, it's about way less if you buy it in America.
Like let's say like 30 America or 25 America.
Ah, cool. So 30 Ghana CDs. Right? 30 Ghana CDs. Now show me what else you have over here. You have some handbags. We know ladies love to shop and instead of Louis Vuitton, this is Ashanti craft, right, my brother? Right?
And we have,
And you got the famous mud cloth.
Really?
Did the mud cloth man do this one?
Yeah, we have some defo bags.
And then we got cultural jewelry.
Yeah.
I mean, these brothers are a hit. Family, this is where you have to come to shop because you get nothing but authentic, real things right from the craft villages where we're about to head to. These brothers giving us a nice little layout and showing us what the folks in their village have done, and they're here to just do great business. Another good friend of mine, I've known him for many years, man. This brother's a serious businessman. Serious businessman. I want to give a big shout out to everybody, everybody in the diaspora, and tell them to come to Africa, come to Kumasi, come to the motherland, and get your shop on and get culturalized.
I want everybody to come to Ghana every year with Mr. Bomani Group. The man is good everywhere, so people love him nicely.
Yes, so brother, you have a lot of different. Do you specialize in dashiki?
Yeah, I have this one, and I have the long one with the one you wear like a long dress.
So a brother could buy one for his princess and everything. You hear that, brothers?
No,
all your wonderful, beautiful princesses and queens.
Because I saw it myself.
Culturalize them in these wonderful African wear.
That's what I look at. I look at who's wearing and then transfer. I ain't trying to jip nobody.
And here, family, as we head into the courtyard of the Noda Hotel. Yeah. A beautiful cultural hotel. Kobla, how you feeling this morning?
Great.
Feeling great this morning?
Yeah.
I was telling everybody about our wonderful brothers here that we have known over many years in Kumasi, and how they give you access to so many things that you just want to buy, so many things you want to reculturalize your life with.
Yeah.
Say some wonderful words to the people of encouragement to come and join this wonderful craft shopping tour that we do when we get to Kumasi.
Oh, there's no words to describe the beauty of this place and the culture. It's just overwhelming to see the beautiful colors, and the people are so nice and hospitable, and they're down with us. And I suggest and invite people to come back.
Excellent, my brother. The saga continues.
That's right.